Hi guys, how are you? Happy New Year to you again. So this is going to be the first trailer video for our next live session on my YouTube channel, and it's going to be also our first video live of 2019. First of all, before we start, I would like to show you a quick sketch I made today with some markers. I don't know if you like it. It's interesting because what I did here, it's a different type of step-by-step technique. Instead of starting with the pen, with the black point pen, and then add everything else, I started with markers. So yes, I did exactly the opposite of what I usually do. I wanted to try, and I think it's pretty encouraging, the results that came out in terms of reflections, proportions, shading, quality of the contrast and everything. 4 markers, okay, and a black pen. Some highlights with wash as usual, so you can see better. Okay, so and now after this, what we're gonna talk about next Monday at 6:30 p.m. It will be our first design talk, and what we will do, we will talk about design schools. A lot of you are asking me several questions about several design schools, and of course I'm not an expert of every design school in the world. I know quite few of them, but not all of them. But what is more important than the school, it's really how you behave as a student in terms of getting the best out of it. And to do so, it's not really necessary to have to be part of the top 5 schools in the world. You can also become an excellent designer with a bachelor coming from a school that is not very well known or that is not extremely expensive. It has a lot to do with how you do it. And we will talk about that. I will answer to your questions, and I also have a very fresh news that I announced already several times on Instagram and Facebook, which is my next ebook to come, which was promised to you last year. And you know what? It is almost ready. I just missed 10% of the work to make sure that I can publish on www.lulu.com. And I have a surprise for you, because I have the final cover after several cover designs I tried. And I tried also with a friend of mine who is an excellent card designer and an excellent graphic designer also. So with him we decided this probably it's gonna be the final one. I hope that you like already the cover. Wait, this light is too strong. I hope that you like this cover, okay? And this is going to be my next ebook coming soon. So check always Instagram profile and Facebook, all the posts I put on that I post on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, because very soon, I guess it's a question of a few days, we will have this new ebook, the first one of 2019, that will be added to the other 6 ebooks that I already made, that I hope helped you already to learn. This is sketching cars, so it's about sketching cars. And the interesting thing here is that we have a new session that I never did before, which is about chalk and pastels, with lots of beautiful pictures that explain the step-by-step of the technique, okay? And there is also a lot of text added to this ebook, in which I tell and I explain a lot of extra things that just come from our beautiful live session during which we talk about a lot of interesting topics for any design student and car passionate or car lovers that would like to learn how to sketch cars. Okay, so that's it. Monday, 6:30 p.m. Design Talk, Design Schools. Be there, put your like, subscribe, and share this trailer. Thank you very much. Ciao. Me and my sketch say ciao. See you.